Back, Aruba, this time Renaissance Beach. About 8 a.m. in the morning, we're trying to get us some breakfast. Baby's moving the car. It's a nice looking place here. Real nice marina. And you got the nice little, been waiting to see one of these little Pelicans. Little buddies. How you doing, big guy? Just doing his thing. We're gonna have the Dutch pancake house today. Hoping to get some kind of bananas Foster, Grand Marnier flambe, something like that. Something good. Not sure where baby had to go park at. Let's go get her. Is she sweet? Were you parked in the wrong spot?
Yeah, the right spots are yellow.
It's a nice spot here. We got the nice casino over there. Pelican didn't care about me. Went on about his pelican ways. No card?
Well, it says has a plans or use credit card, but I was saying where to scan a card.
Probably just scan it up to the thing. Telly. I know I'm hungry. You hungry? Baby, it's an actual pay phone. That's pretty cool. Nice.
What's Poke Oil? This is showing us like way far away. Not way far away, but not here.
That's where you wanted lunch at?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if we're in the right spot, but
Yeah, we are.
you see it right there? Okay, cool. Cool. Dutch pancakes. And the wait begins. What'd you get?
Caribbean banana.
I got the seaport. Renaissance Beach. Rock crops. Rock croppings. Pictures. I want to. But I want to. Yeah, it wasn't safe to go down there. Some of them rocks are very loose.
Sharp and loose. And
Come on, what you think, I'm gonna hurt myself?
yeah.
gorgeous lighthouse. I think it might cost something to go in. I don't know what beach this is. Pretty. Where? Hey, you're everywhere. Little fat birds. Wow. Amazing. Unsteady. Lighthouse time. Supposedly you could see Venezuela through here. We'll find out. Baby found it, Pelican Island.
Ooh, it's back to the north.
They don't care about scrapes, right?
These are different.
Pelicans as far as the eye can see. Just off Route 1. Just live that pelican life. Aloe Factory. By request of Heather.
And telling the story about Aruba and candy aloes, but it is also kept evolving by introducing new brands of cosmetics and medical products to different markets and medical centers around the world.
If you look to our 5 brands that we have, I think every brand has its successes. If you look, for example, to Alhydron, that's a brand that we distribute to over 55 countries, but is really well known for their medical treatments, for burn wounds, multiple other purposes as well. We're very successful with the brand Aruba Aloe in Aruba, but international via our online portals that we have very successfully built up over the last few years. Our recent success added to those two is, for example, Aruba Aloe, where we targeting the gift market, especially in the United States, where we already have 45,000 locations, and we expect that to development.
Where the magic happens, as they say. All the chemicals necessary for the process.
Based on the schedule, what they have to do. Today we are not making any product, but today maybe they are counting or doing something different with that, or of just packing with another area that's not the packaging. Okay. Here we land by the Aruba Aloe line, and I will explain a little bit about our product. So when we're starting with the spatula lotion, please.
The fields of aloe vera. We had a really good aloe vera demonstration that I didn't feel comfortable filming because I didn't want to be all up in the guy's face, but he was really cool. I think it's really cool how they start at number 1. And then by the time they get to 223, number 1's done again. Beautiful, baby. Absolutely beautiful. Ooh, look at that. I feel it already. We better get back to the car. Tropical storms. Gotta beat this rain.